I start by placing the pump into the tank. It just rests there for a moment. Not running yet, just ready. Before I switch anything on, I turn off the filter and the CO2. With the water level about to drop, keeping both systems off prevents air being pulled through and keeps everything stable. Once everything is safe, I switch the pump on and open the valve while it's fully underwater. Doing it this way stops any air from rushing through and lets the flow build gently. The pump carries the old water out to the garden at a steady pace. It's calm, controlled. A slow release that makes the whole process easier. As the level drops and the fresh water starts coming back in, I take the chance to trim the plants. With the tops exposed, everything is easier to reach, and it helps keep the layout balanced. I place a small water alarm onto the inside rim. It's a quiet safety net while the tank refills, just in case my attention drifts. And that's the routine. Steady, simple, unhurried. Letting the tank reset while everything moves at its own pace.